Today's focus is on risk assessments, a key part of ensuring safe and effective first aid in any environment. A risk assessment helps to identify potential hazards and plan how to reduce harm before accidents happen. And here's how to do it. So step one, identify your hazards. Look for anything that could cause injury, machinery, sharp objects, spills, or unsafe work practices. Step two, decide who might be harmed. So consider your staff, visitors, children, and vulnerable people. Step three, evaluate the risks. So how likely is an incident? How severe would it be? Use this to decide what control measures to put in place. Step four, record your findings. Keep it clear and up to date. Include who's responsible for each action. And step five, review regularly, especially after an incident or when anything changes. Good first aid starts with prevention. Risk assessments save lives, not just in theory, but in practice.